Libraries, here with some exciting news. We have some new items that are now available for checkout, and they are cake pans and cake decorating kits. So you will see this shelf with all of the cake supplies on it at Columbus Library. We have various cake pans, different shapes and sizes that you can check out, as well as cake decorating kits for frosting the cakes. So these are now added to our library of things along with our board games, and you can check out 2 items from our library of things at one time on your card. And if you are at Saluda Library, we will be adding some more items to your library of things as well. We do have some board games available for checkout there now, and we will be adding some craft kits for adults and some STEM kits for kids. And if there are any board games or cake pans or cake decorating kits you want to check out, and they are not available at the library that you go to, you can put them on hold and we will deliver them to either Columbus or Saluda for you to pick up. So have fun!